Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be. Just to let you know, at lunchtime, 12 o'clock UK time, I will be on with the Rangers Journal lads for the first time. Actually, pretty nervous about it because these guys know their onions. They're always up to speed. Their stat stuff is always pretty mind-boggling in a good way. So I'm looking forward to it. Sitting have a chat with them, and as I say, it's the first time I've been on, and we've been talking about it for a while. So I'm looking forward to this. Hope you can all join us for a bit of Rangers chat the night before we get back to Ibrox against Livingston, a game that we've all been waiting for. Waiting to get back to Ibrox, waiting to see what progress has been made by Danny Rowe, his new set piece person, man, and all that. So, hope you can all join us and see you tonight. Cheers.